this my background is fake. Yes, if you're a beginner content creator, I'm getting an aesthetically pleasing background to film your YouTube video has been an issue for you, then you want to watch this video till the end. If you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Modipe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get fake background that will also look realistic for your YouTube videos. I understand that setting up a background that will be pleasing to the eyes for your YouTube videos can be really capital intensive, being a beginner content creator. But in this video, I am going to solve that problem for you, because after watching this video, you'll be able to film in any background of your choice and be able to get an aesthetically pleasing fake background to use for your YouTube videos. So before we dive in, I'm going to be telling us some key things you need to do while filming your videos so that your background will come out very well. Number one thing you need to do is that make sure you are filming in a very plain background. It can be of any color. Make sure that the background is not busy. You can use your wall. You can use like a plain cloth at the background. Just make sure that it is not too busy. If you use a background that is very busy, your fake background will not come out very well. It will look fake. And the point is for us to make it look realistic, right? Yes. So make sure you use a plain background. Number two important thing you must put in check is that make sure your camera is steady. You can get a tripod. Yes, get it. Even if you don't have a tripod, find a spot to put your phone and make sure your camera is not shaking. Don't tell anyone to hold your camera for you, because humans are prone to move. Yes, they can move. So you need a steady position to put your phone. And another thing is, make sure you are not moving too much. You can see me in this video. I'm just trying to stay in one position. I am intentionally not showing my hand in this video because I gesticulate a lot, and if you are doing that in your video, by the time you change your background, it is not going to come out very well. And the last thing you must make sure you do is you have a very good lighting in your background. If you don't have a ring light, you can also use natural light. You can film when the day is very bright. When you open up your window, make sure that everywhere is well lit. So after putting all these in check, we can now go ahead to change our background. Don't forget to like this video. Please like this video and also subscribe so that you can see my posts when I drop them. So the next question is where you are going to be getting these backgrounds from. Go on Pinterest. There are a lot of aesthetically pleasing backgrounds on Pinterest. All you have to do is put on it the kind of vibe you want in your video, in your background. So if you want an office setting, you can type it on it, you're going to get it. If you want like a bedroom setting, you can put it there. Just type anything you want, the kind of vibe you want your video to have. Type it on it and then you download your background. You can download as many as you want. Go on pinterest.com, then type the kind of background you want. If you want a bedroom background, type bedroom background. If you want an office background, type it on Pinterest and it will give you a whole lot of backgrounds you can download. So I'm going to be downloading from this bedroom background. So you save it on your phone. After downloading your background from Pinterest, come to your CapCut, select new project, then import the background you just downloaded with your video. So this is the background I downloaded and this is my video too. Make sure that your aspect ratio is in 16:19, which is for YouTube. Then adjust your background to the size of the frame. Now this is what you do. Click on your video, then look for overlay. Click on overlay so that it will come down. Then after that, move it to the beginning of your background that you downloaded. Then click on the background again, then drag it to where your video is ending. Drag it to where your video is ending. So after that, this is where the trick happens. Click on your video, I mean the overlay, which is your video, then look for remove BG.
because we want to remove the background. Click on remove video, click on auto remover. Can you see? So it's going to take like few minutes for it to remove your background perfectly. While waiting for CapCut to remove the background completely, I always like to blur my background a bit. So click on the background just like this. Click on effect, then click on video effects, then search for blur. Search for blur.
This
Make sure
my
you have a very
background
good
is
background. Click
fake.
on blur. I don't want it to be too much, so I'm going to reduce it to
This
like
my background
say
is fake.
15. Yes, I think it's nice. Click on mark. After that, do it to also drag this blur effect to the end of the video so that it covers everything. Yeah, so can you see how realistic is
This my
looking right now? Let
background
me
is
play the video so I can see how realistic it is. Can you see how beautiful this is? So not having an aesthetic background is not an excuse for you to not post that YouTube video, because you can as well get a fake background and do it just like this. So now that you know how you can change your YouTube video, go ahead and post that video, edit it and post that video.
you've gotten here in this video and you still not subscribe, it is wrong. Yes, it is wrong. So please subscribe, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye.